Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. First, open the Photos app on your mobile device. Then tap on the photo you want to remove from Google Photos. Now tap on the bin icon at the bottom right corner. When asked for permission, tap Allow to move this photo to the bin. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Google app or your browser. Now search for photos.google.com and open the website. Once the page opens, refresh it to make sure everything is updated. Now tap on the photo or video you want to delete from Google Photos. Then tap on the delete icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Move to Trash to send the photo to the trash folder. After that, go back to the main page and tap on the three lines or menu in the top left corner. Here, tap on Trash to see all deleted photos. Now tap on the trash icon with a cross at the top. Finally, tap Empty Trash to permanently delete the photo from Google Photos without removing it from your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.